Our virtual workshops are a premier opportunity to grow professionally in sessions led by leading experts on the topics most important to educators right now. These digital events are streamable directly to your favorite device. Whether you want to use a laptop, tablet, or even your phone, you'll have the best seat in the house. Our virtual workshops offer the same high-quality professional development that educators like you have come to expect. With Zoom, you will be an active participant in these workshops with our expert practitioners. The presenters have brought years of experience implementing change in their own schools or districts and are ready to help your team solve the unique challenges facing your educational community. Topics include assessment, instruction, leadership, mathematics, mathematics at work, professional learning communities at work, response to intervention at work, and special needs. Continue the commitment that you have made to your students and attend a virtual workshop that promotes success for every learner. To register or for more information, visit solutiontree.com. Thank you.